How to get 55% off Southwest Airlines coupon codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Southwest Airlines coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Southwest Airlines. You can see that 30% off, 25% off, 40% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it, then click on Redeem at Southwest. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, book your flight, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your flight. With that, you're gonna get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Southwest Airlines. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working coupon code for Southwest Airlines. This is how you can easily get up to 55% off working coupon code for Southwest Airlines. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.